What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I'm a real estate investor who uses the exit strategy of wholesaling real estate. This is my vlog. This is where I document my real estate journey and where I teach other entrepreneurs how they can get started wholesaling. In today's video, I will just be sharing with you why I do not market on Facebook anymore. Some people still do it, especially newbies. But I'm just here to tell you why that's not so good of an idea. So go ahead and click that like and subscribe button and let's jump into the video. Facebook is just hilarious. Y'all probably don't even get the joke yet, but oh my God. I'm relieved that I don't market on Facebook no more. When you market on Facebook, do not put the address of your property on Facebook. I'm dead serious, y'all. Do not do that. Once you do that, your deal is gone. You can say bye-bye to that money. You can say bye-bye to the sale, bye-bye to the contract. Your deal is gone out the window. And you're like, how's your deal gone? Okay. First of all, other wholesalers will come jack your deal straight up off of Facebook. Do not put the address. Go ahead and put the city, the state, and the zip code, and then post a little bit of pictures of the house. Say, if you want to know more, please leave a comment, please leave your email or DM me or PM me for more details. Another thing is, do not post your property in Facebook Marketplace. I've done this way too many times, and sometimes I've gotten caught by the homeowners or by the homeowner's attorney, and that has happened to me personally. So when I first started, I posted properties into Facebook Marketplace, and then it was just like, why is my house on Facebook? And my attorney said that my house is on Facebook. Still, guys, if you do not want your deal to crumble, do not use Facebook Marketplace. It works sometimes, but most times, guys, it does not work. Eventually, you're gonna have to stop marketing on Facebook, especially if you want to be bigger. Stop it. You're gonna have to stop it. Facebook buyers. Y'all, 9 times out of 10, guys, wholesalers are pretending to be buyers. They will also try to take your deals. Especially buyers as well on Facebook will also try to backdoor you to take your deals. Sometimes they will go around you and offer the seller a higher offer than what you put under contract. I'm just telling you guys this stuff from my experience using Facebook. It's a lot of shady stuff that goes on Facebook. Half of the time, the buyers are not big buyers, they're local buyers. They're gonna lowball you. They're gonna try to throw out low numbers because they're gonna also try to get you at a discount. You're getting the seller at a discount, they're gonna get you at a discount as well. So if you don't want those low offers that you're gonna get back, you need to start marketing to buyers a different type of way if you're looking for buyers for your contracts. So buyers are sketchy on Facebook. I would definitely ask for a proof of funds letters from the buyers on Facebook. I just do not trust them. PropStream is a little bit different because you can actually see the cash transactions that they've been doing on PropStream and through their company. You really need proof of funds for buyers that you find on PropStream because you see all of the information that you need to see right in front of you. You see what type of houses they're buying. You see how many houses they're buying. Facebook, you don't know nothing about this person. You're trying to figure it out. You're trying to see if they're real buyers. They're going to come see the house. And half the time, like I'm telling you for real, they will backdoor you or do just some sketchy stuff. So Facebook, I do not market on Facebook because of these 3 reasons. Buyers are half the time wholesalers. Do not post the address to the house you have on contract because the house will get taken from you. And do not post the deal into Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes you guys will get caught. Now, you might not get caught on one deal, but you might get caught on the next one. And it's just, you know, of course, you know, you keep going, but to save you guys those troubles, just do not post in Facebook Marketplace. I just do not recommend that. So those are the 3 main reasons I do not post on Facebook. Any help with anything else, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.